Hey guys, Jerry here, NXTGEN Graphics, Mobile Detailing, and today's what we got. 3 vehicles, same house. I'm gonna be doing inside, outside this pretty little van. We're doing outside only on RV, and an inside, outside on the little car. And let's get started. So we're looking at the car, older little car. What is this little thing? Little Hyundai. It's a little Forte or something. Not sure what it is, but man, it's in really good shape to be an older car. And it's not bad. It's been took good care of. Not too shabby. These shouldn't take too long. We do got a little bit of lamination on the bumper. It's kind of weird. But RV, it's got some of the green mold stuff on it. Super Clean takes that right off, and then we'll spray our 6-month ceramic coating on that in the car. Get everything shined up. Yeah, man, good looking little car for an older car. Little Hyundai, and then we got this Dodge minivan up here, and it's in really good shape. I already had the vehicles cleaned out for us, that's a plus. And you can see, just got normal shampoo or normal dirt, a little bit of vacuum. It's got some white stuff on the dash.
The opposite way, we'll vacuum the bottom.
Get that off. I think Super Clean take that off. It's looking good. Good stuff. Yeah, man. Outside and back. Oh, and then we got headlight restorations on these too. So we're gonna fix the headlights on these 2 vehicles. I'm gonna start on that. We got a little bit of haziness on there. I'm gonna take that off. And then the same thing with this Hyundai. See how that one's way worse. That one's a lot worse than that one is. I'm gonna clean those up. So good job here. It's a big good one today. And get everything set up, rolling. Yeah. So I got the old full power Super Clean. What I'm gonna do is put it on a magic eraser a little bit. Let's see what this does. Doesn't appear to be coming off that way either. Let me get a dry rag. Let's see. I don't know what they did there. Man, it's on there. Yeah, pretty good. I'm going to see what I got to get off. Alright, so Aaron is vacuuming in here. Got it looking good. Looking real good. I'm wiping the seats using new Tik-Tok, some Flex, getting this down. Got all this cleaned up back here. Looking good. Started cleaning on plastics ahead of those guys. fell back and started doing carpet. So moving right along. I did end up getting I got the white crud off. Took a little scrubber and some of our cleaner, interior cleaner, and scrubbed it right off. So doing pretty good. Alright, so all the seats been shampooed, drill brushed, wiped down. I didn't use an extractor because they're not bad. They're not that bad. A few little stains I got up, the scrub brush. Jake's up here working on a dash, looking good. Got the doors looking good. Aaron's over here working on carpet. So we got the inside of both cars done. Now, washing outside. These two. Get this looking really good. Cleaned up really nice. Good. Looking real good. For an 08 Hyundai Accent, man, it's a nice little car. Jake, it's 08, that car is. I'm cleaning up the van. And then we got RV to the outside of left. And now we get us going.
How long do you think it should take?
How hard is it to get some
Hour and a
super
half.
clean up here?
It ain't.
I can go get it.
Hey, I got super clean in this.
That's what I need. And I might need my nozzle back.
Jake, you want to take us up there, Tony?
Is there a ladder?
Yeah, there's a ladder around back.
Bring that nozzle with you.
Which one? The front?
The whole thing, yeah.
Whole thing?
Whole thing. No, just the, yeah. That.
He's so confusing.
The barrel.
They're planning on you just being stuck down here.
I can't take them nowhere. So Jake's up here spraying right now. I was up there. Him and Aaron got the top. And a lot of this mold, you can see, it's just mold. Where it's set under these trees. You know, set under these trees like that. And this mold right here grows on them. And that's the stuff we can get off. Comes off pretty good, super clean. White vinegar takes it off pretty good, but now this is just faded paint. That's not going to come off. That is what it is. So if you clean one and they look like that, that's as clean as you're going to get them. They're not. The vinyl, they will come clean pretty good, but you can see that. That comes off pretty good, but that white paint, it's just fading, and that's as white as it's gonna get. You can see it takes it off pretty good. Clean as we can. All right, so we got the cars done. There's that one, looking good. Black van's looking good. Oh, I got a brand new van. Yeah, buddy. We got the RV all shined up, ready to go. Looking pretty, ceramic coated, ready to roll. Looking good. 3-car day. That's 8 hours, right on the money. Appreciate you guys. It's Jerry of NXTGEN Graphics. Catch you on the next one.